Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to connect Miro to Google Drive in 2025 using the free version. This is a really handy way to bring your files, documents, and images straight into your Miro boards without needing extra uploads. Step 1. Open your Miro board. On the left-hand toolbar, click on the plus icon for apps and integrations. This is where you can find all the available apps that Miro supports. Step 2. In the search bar, type Google Drive and select it. You will see the option to install or connect. Go ahead and click Connect. A pop-up window will appear asking you to sign in with your Google account. Step 3. Sign in with your Google account and allow the requested permissions. Once you've connected, Google Drive will now be linked directly to your Miro workspace. Step 4. To use it, click on the Google Drive icon from your apps. You can browse your Drive files and insert them directly onto the board. This works for documents, slides, images, and PDFs, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.